In this video, we will talk about the copper zinc battery, also called Daniel battery. It consists of two blades of copper and zinc dipped into solutions of copper sulfate and zinc sulfate respectively. The two metals are connected by a wire and the solution are connected by a solder bridge. Now, how does it work? By an oxidation reaction, zinc metal transforms to zinc ion, which will be dissolved on the solution and generate electrons according to this reaction. And as we can see, this process will reduce the size of the zinc blade. Generated electrons will move towards the copper blade via the connection wire. When these electrons reach the copper electrode, they will reduce the copper ions of the copper sulfate solution to form the metallic copper on the surface of the copper electrode, forming a layer of metallic copper, which will increase the size of the copper blade. The oxidation reaction of zinc will increase the number of zinc ions in the solution, while the reduction reaction of copper will reduce the number of copper ions in the solution, which will destroy the charge balance in both solutions. The zinc solution became more positive, while the copper solution became more negative. To re-establish the charge balance, anions of the salt in the solder bridge will migrate to the zinc solution, while the cation will move to copper solution. As the zinc blade was the generator of electrons, so it will be considered as the anode, and the copper is the cathode of our battery.